Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to Driving with John Chow. I recently had a little conversation with a reader. We were going back and forth in email, and he was seeking my advice. Basically, this reader has said he's been trying to make money online for over 5 years, and to date he has made zero, nothing, nada, dick all. And he's asking, what am I doing wrong? Now, good question, I suppose. So anyway, after exchanging a few emails back and forth, I have found out that basically, for the last 5 years, this reader has been learning how to make money online. And that was pretty much it. He was learning how to make money online. He's actually never did anything that was taught by myself, or other bloggers or other internet marketers, or like he was just in learning mode. So basically, to answer that guy's question, it's simple. I mean, I told him that you need to actually implement what you learn. I mean, it's great to learn how to do this stuff, but if you don't actually go and do it, then guess what? You're not going to make money online. Now, you might be laughing at this, go, that's so stupid. But you will be amazed at how many people do the same thing. They're in constant learning mode. And in the field of internet marketing, because there's always new stuff, new programs. See, that's what he thought, I'm ready. And then, this new program came out, this new thing came out. I need to learn this. And then when they learn it, then something else came out. I need to learn that. So they're in perpetual learning mode. And as a result, they don't get started. And this perpetual learning mode also creates what I call the overwhelming, oh my God, information overload problem. Because there's so much information. You go, how do I make sense of it? They're overwhelmed, and now they're paralyzed from getting started. So I have a couple of pieces of advice on how to overcome, I guess, information overload and perpetual learning. The first one is this: there is a time to learn, and there is a time to do. Now, if this was like a university, it would be a lot easier. Because, university or school, you go there to learn. But once you graduate, then it's time for you to do. Like, let's say you go to Harvard to become a lawyer. So, for 4 years or however long it takes to to be a lawyer, and then you come to the day where you graduate, you get your diploma, your degree, you put the little tassel from the other end or whichever end it is, and then you graduate, and now you go and become a lawyer. Now it's time to do. See, there's a graduation date where you stop learning and start doing. But unfortunately, for internet marketing, when you're learning internet marketing or blogging or YouTubing or whatever, when you're learning that, there is no graduation date. And because there's no graduation date, a tremendous amount of people will be in learning mode. They think that I'm still in Harvard, I'm still in school, I'm still learning. It's not graduation day yet, so I don't have to go out there into the world and start doing. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, if you know how to make a video with your camera, if you know how to write a blog post, and writing a blog post means basically, if you know how to type and use Microsoft Word, I'm telling you right now, you have graduated. You can go out and make a video, put it up on YouTube. You can make your first blog post. You graduated. All right. So there's no need for you to learn all the other stuff, because those stuff will fall into place. See, when I started, I didn't know like 90% of what I know today. But all I knew was I wanted to be a blogger, and I wanted to find out more about blogging. And the best way to learn is by doing. See, you can read it in a textbook, you can watch videos on it, you can take courses on it, but until you actually do it, that's the best experience. So when I started my blog, I just started a blog. I didn't read blogging for dummy 100 how 200 pages or whatever it was. I just set it up and I just made mistakes along the way, and I learned from the mistakes, and that's the best type of learning from your mistakes. So I learned from my mistakes and I corrected along the way, right? So that's the best way to learn. Don't read textbook. That takes time. Faster way to do that, just do it. Just do it. Like, if you look at my blog, like if you go to the Wayback Machine, I go to Wayback Machine, you look at my blog back 10 plus years ago, it looks nothing like it is today. And that comes to the overwhelm issue again. Because some people, they look at established blogs like my blog or Shoe Money's blog or bloggers been around for a long time, and they see this beautiful design, they see everything is in place, it looks amazing, and they're going, how am I supposed to do that? But they assume that's how it looked from the very beginning. It looks nothing like that. If you go to the Wayback Machine and check out my blog, it was just a default WordPress theme. That was it. Nothing fancy, no $10,000 custom design, no writers, no, just me. See, it evolved. You're always changing. That's how you learn. All right. So don't get caught in analysis paralysis. Don't get stuck in learning mode. Once you learn something, just do it. Like if you want to start a blog, it's simple as this. Like if you want, I just what I told the guy. I go, you want to know how to blog, but yet you haven't in the 5 years, you haven't started a blog, but you've been learning how to blog for 5 years, but you actually never even put up a blog yet, right? So if you want to start a blog, then go to my free WordPress blog installation service. It's totally free. I'll set up a blog for you. I mean, basically, all you gotta do is order the web hosting from my sponsor, HostGator. Send me your login information, and I will install WordPress. I'll set up the blog for you, and then you can log in there and write your first blog post. And guess what? You are now a blogger. You want to be a YouTuber, start making money off YouTube? Well, guess what? Take your cell phone, make a video in front of you, and say, "Hey world, this is me, and this is what my channel is gonna be about. I'm gonna be talking about this, that, and the other thing. This is my passion. I like it. I've been always a dream of mine. And if you're interested in this, then hey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I'll be doing at least a video a week. And I'd love to, join you. There's your first video, and upload it. Guess what? You are now a YouTuber. There is no need to take a YouTube course or read a blogging course for dummy with 200 pages. There's no need to spend all your time doing that kind of stuff. It's basically, I kind of lost track. I'm getting to a rant here, but my last piece of advice here is simple as this. When you're learning is not doing. Write that down. Learning is not doing. Learning does not make you money. Learning is great, but it does not make you money. Only doing makes you money. So if you're asking, how come I'm not making any money? Ask yourself, are you learning to do it, or are you actually doing it? The only way you make money is to actually do it. All right. So you graduated. It is now time for you to do it. Do something every day that pushes your business forward. So when I look at, all the stuff I can do in a day, like I can watch YouTube video, I can learn some stuff. I'm still learning too. I learn, and then I can do stuff. But I make sure I do something every day that pushes my business forward. Now, so I call them income producing activities. Okay? So you can have learning activities, or what I just call them busy work, like answering emails and checking YouTube. And those are, and a lot of people are mistaken. Those are, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. They go, no, answering email, reading how to do this is not doing it. Right? Doing it is stuff that will bring you in the money, like creating a video, writing a blog post, creating a sales page. That is doing it. When you're doing income producing activity, then you'll be making the money. But until you actually do the income producing activity and stop doing the learning activities, because learn by doing. That's what I do. Just do it. Okay. So Anyway, that kind of long-winded, but hey, I hope you get value from that. And if you do, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my video. And if you're brand new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. It does help me a lot. So, Chow, Chow, Thank you very much. See you guys next time.